Solar screw pump. Screw maintenance guide. Tools needed for screw repair. 1. Stainless steel 304 Allen wrench. 2. Dual-purpose screwdriver. 3. 10 mm Torx wrench. 4. 30 mm Torx wrench. 5. Spare parts. Stainless steel screw rotor. Step 1. Remove the filter screen. Use dual-purpose screwdriver to unscrew the 2 screws that secure the filter screen. Step 2. Remove the water outlet joint. Use stainless steel 304 Allen wrench to unscrew the 3 screws with spring washers that secure the water outlet joint. Step 3. Remove the stator part of the screw. Step 4. Remove the water inlet joint. Use 10 mm Torx wrench to remove the 3 nuts and spring washers that secure the water inlet joint. Step 5. Remove the rotor part of the screw. Step 6. Replace the rotor part of the spare screw. Step 7. Install the water inlet joint. Tighten the 3 nuts and spring washers with 30 mm Torx wrench to securely fasten the water inlet joint. Step 8. Install the stator part of the spare screw. Step 9. Install the water outlet joint. Use stainless steel 304 Allen wrench to tighten the 3 screws with spring washers to securely fasten the water outlet joint. Step 10. Install the filter screen. Use dual-purpose screwdriver to tighten the 2 screws that secure the filter screen.